Damn! How many times has this happened? And how many more times in future? Apart from swearing, here's how to deal with a puncture. Above all, as soon as you become aware of the puncture, stop, obviously. Check the location of the puncture, then signal your presence on the roadside with the triangle in the S300 kit by GV, a precaution that for safety's sake must never be neglected. First of all, lighten the bike by removing the luggage, not a problem with the GV bags, and put it on the central stand. Now, take time out to thank the gods of motorbiking that this time you were smart enough to buy the GVS 450 puncture kit. Use the screwdriver to remove that damn nail, that bloody screw, or whatever has made the hole and interrupted our journey. Now use the rasper tool to make the hole smooth and uniform. Cover a sealing strip with glue and use the special tool to insert it into the hole. Connect the tube with valve to the wheel and attach the special CO2 cartridge. The tyre will gradually start to inflate. Now for the final touch, removing the excess material with the cutter. Job done. As we've seen, all the material and tools used are included in the GV kit. And now, you're back on the road.